These are pretty cheap, but we'll see. I wonder what. They're all intact. Right. One here. Tripp Lite battery backup system takes 2, so here we go with 2. Let's see if they come with a. Yeah. So far, so good. We'll have to go ahead and check and see what it looks like compared to the ones I take out. Alright, so I've got my Tripp Lite 1500 LCD Smart Pro UPS here. I'm going to plug it in really quick just to show you guys what's going on. Okay, it's all plugged in right there. Should hold this down for a couple of seconds. It should beep and then it should turn on. Absolutely nothing happens. It is absolutely kaput. So as you can see, it doesn't come on at all. I'm going to go ahead and test the batteries, take them out, show you how to do that here. Alright, so obviously I've unplugged the unit. See here. And there are earlier models of these that didn't have this little trap door. This one has the trap door on it. So we should just be able to remove it. This drops down. This door slides on out. Here are batteries inside. These are always a pain to take out. There's that one. We just have to try to hold on to both pieces. Lock them. There we go. This pull tab here. And that's how she comes out. We're going to have to swap over these wires onto our new ones here. But first we'll go ahead and we'll separate them and we'll do a quick test just to make sure that they're as dead as I suspect they are. Stand them up just like that. Okay. So, you can see our harness here. We're going to have black to black, black here, and then out here. Okay. So let's just go by the numbers. Dummies. Just for shits and giggles, let's test these bad boys. Woof. Yep. Very kaput. Duct tape them together. we'll slap them in there. All taped together. Just use standard duct tape. Slide it in, plug it in, red to red, black to black. That should be all set. Here's our door. Just gonna slide it in. That's that. All right, moment of truth. Let's plug it in. We have instant life. Good sign. Guess you push this in and hold it for a couple of seconds, it beeps, and then it's good to go. So if you got one of these and it's dead, check those batteries. Battery Shark sent me what's pretty legit, so I'm gonna be quite pleased with that. Looks like it's up and running. You can hear the fan. Alright, so now we're just gonna do a quick battery test. I wonder if you can pick up the fan noise on this. But, so output, runtime, load, wattage, battery 97%, it's charging up, that's good. Sound is on, scroll function is on, test battery. Beautiful. I'd say it's good to go.